In this present crisis, government is not the solution to our problem. Government is the problem.
All right, here we are in booth 317 at Decibullz. This product caught our eye as we were walking by, and we have Ben, who's one of the sales reps for the company. He's going to tell us a little bit about this. This is pretty unique.
Yeah, so we do do-it-yourself custom molded hearing protection. So the way all of our products work is you just drop our molds in hot water. They become soft and pliable. You press them around your ear. They harden after a few minutes, and then you're all set. So it's a similar process to what you would get with a normal mouthpiece that you do for sports. Same process as that. So the nice thing about our products is they all work around what we call the easy shape system. So you can just snap our standard silicone tip into the back, and it'll block out your hearing protection, give you a 31 NRR rating. We also have what's called a percussive filter, and this is our newer product. And what this does is this allows ambient noise to pass through the back. When a gunshot goes off, it gives you a 33 NRR rating. The rest of the time it sits around a 10, so it allows you to have some nice ambient noise, situational awareness, and know your surroundings. So great for duck hunters, upland, or just out at the range yourself.
All right, now if I have these on and by some chance I should happen to pull them out, mess them up, screw them up, am I done with them or what?
So one of the best parts about them is that they're remoldable. So they're the only remoldable custom earpiece on the market. So you're out at the range, you notice something's not fitting quite right, you can just drop them back in hot water, redo them as many times as you need to. Also, your ears are one of those body parts that are always changing and growing, so they'll last with you forever because you can just remold them as many times as you need to.
All right, now if we want to look these up on the website, where are we going to find these?
Yeah, just find them at Decibullz.com. That's Decibullz, and just stop by our website. We have headphones, we have earplugs, we have a bunch of different products that all work around our same custom molded earpiece.
All right, well, there's got to be something to this stuff because there's been a line of people over there in front of that boiling tank of water where people have been getting fitted for the last hour that we've been up and down this aisle.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to see if we can negotiate a set of these for ourselves to do a review with and let you give our personal opinion of them. But for the time being, this actually looks like a pretty cool product.
Great. Thank you very much. Appreciate it, Frank.
Thank you for your time, sir.
Thanks.
Ourselves that we still know the freedoms that were intended for us by the founding fathers.
Infinite rights when politicians take from you and me the very little